The audio is not supposed to be the Angry Birds theme song. The audio is supposed to be the PBS Kids jingle. All right. Here we go with take 2.
Hold on. Why is this in camera quality? Oh wait. This is one of BNDCF's childhood recordings from 2010. Speaking of that, today marks 15 years of when this was recorded. Happy 15th anniversary to this recording. But enough talking about this, let's move on to the third take.
Cut again. The screen is in 4:3. Like I said back on the Bubbles ident, we are making our bumpers in 16:9. And besides, we are not in the early 2000s anymore. Anyways, let's take this from the top again. Take 4.
PBS Kids.
No. Cut once again. The pitch is not supposed to be in PAL pitch. It's supposed to be in NTSC pitch. We are not in any European countries. Anyways, let's move on to take 5.
Absolutely cut. The audio is not supposed to be the Windows Vista startup sound. It's supposed to be the PBS Kids jingle, just like what we talked about on the first take. Okay, let's take it from the top again. Take 6.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Are you kidding me right now? Cut. The DNA Productions logo just interrupted the system cue. There's supposed to be no interruptions. All right. Let's take this again. Take 7.
PBS Kids.
Hold up. That's the wrong logo. This isn't DVD video. This is PBS Kids. Here's a fun fact. BNDCF's favorite hobby is collecting DVDs. Anyways, let's get ready for take 8.
Seriously, cut. Why did it cut off to the snow globe ident? We already did that bloopers video 4 years ago, in which we also got it right. Speaking of which, let's move on to take 9.
PBS Kids.
Congrats. You got it. Before we end this video, I'm very sorry I didn't do this yesterday and I delayed it to today. Anyways, yeah.